How to reset GoDaddy CPanel. This is very easy. What we need to do is load up the GoDaddy website, click on your name in the top right corner, and then go into My Products. Now here from the products page, we will scroll down until we see the option for web hosting. Click on it to expand the menu, and then select Manage next to your web hosting plan. Now from this screen that loads right here, we'll just give it a second to load completely. Okay, so once it has loaded, if we scroll down all the way, at the bottom right corner you should see this option Reset Account. Once selected, it will show us this. You can return your hosting account to its original factory default settings to start again from scratch. When you reset, all email, files, databases, content, and custom settings are deleted. Also installed SSL certificates will require a rekey after the reset. The domain itself won't be deleted. So if we click on next, this will walk us through the reset process, and you can begin again from scratch, and your GoDaddy CPanel will have been completely reset. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.